Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there were three little pigs, Pinky, Percy, and Pip. They were brothers, each with a unique spirit and a shared love for building. Pinky, the adventurous one, decided to build his house out of straw. "It's quick and easy," he thought, and he could spend more time playing and exploring. Percy, the practical pig, chose sticks for his house. He believed it was a sturdy and sensible choice. Pip, the diligent pig, wanted a strong and secure home, so he invested his time in building a house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf named Wally wandered into the meadow. Spotting Pinky's straw house, Wally huffed and puffed and blew it down with a single breath. Pinky scampered over to Percy's house, and together they reinforced it with more sticks. But when Wally returned, he huffed and puffed again, and down came the stick house. Panicking, Pinky and Percy rushed to Pip's brick house. Safe and sound inside, Pip welcomed his brothers. The wolf, determined but frustrated, huffed and puffed with all his might, but the brick house stood tall and firm. The three little pigs were safe and sound. From that day on, Pinky, Percy, and Pip lived happily in their sturdy brick house, learning that hard work and determination pay off. And whenever the big bad wolf came knocking, the three little pigs simply chuckled, knowing their solid home would withstand anything that came their way.